Hello guys, Raja here, and I am going to create a channel on common tips and tricks on iPhone and latest problems and solutions for that as well. And before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for to receive further updates. In today's video, I am going to talk about how to share files from your iPhone to your Windows PC or Mac. It doesn't really matter. So, in general, how to share files between Windows, Mac PC from your iPhone. So, let's just get started. So, on your iPhone, go to the App Store and type in File Explorer. Oh, I'm sorry, it's E, right? File Explorer. Just scroll down the list and you'll find an icon like blue with a smart word on it, which is by smartdisk.org. So just download it. I have already downloaded it, and that's the reason it's showing open. And the link for this file on the App Store, I have left it down in the description box below. And here you can see it supports the latest iOS 13 as well. So download the file, and so once done, it looks like this. Okay, so once File Explorer is downloaded, just go to Safari and okay, so let's try this with downloading some mp3 format files and transferring it to the PC. Okay, so I'm just googling sampling sample mp3 files and just pressing on the first link here. Right, so I do not have any affiliation with this website. I've just selected the first link from Google. That's it. I long press this and press on download linked file. Let me download a couple of files. I think four mp3 files are shown here. Okay, so Safari is currently downloading this, and let us just wait until this completes. Yeah, almost done. Okay, so almost done. 4.9. Alright, so four mp3 files are downloaded here. So I just press on search box in Safari, which redirects me to the downloads folder of the iCloud drive. By default, the iCloud drive has the behavior of uploading whatever files come inside that. So what we are going to do here is pretty much simple. So we are just going to press, or rather, this location can also be accessed. You can just search files on Spotlight and then open this and then go to iCloud and iCloud Drive and downloads. Here you just press on select and then press on select all. Okay, and now you press on share, the upward pointing arrow with the square box. Just press on share, and here you just scroll on the right hand side wherein you can find File Explorer. In case if you are not able to find, just push up the window, press on edit. No, I'm sorry. So in case if you are not able to find it, just scroll all the way right hand side, press on the more button, then press on edit. You have a lot of options here, so you can just press on the plus on the left hand side and it will get added to your favorites, right? So back to the video. So let me show you one more time. Just press select and then select all, press the share button, scroll to the right hand side and press on the File Explorer. So it shows here, as you can see, it shows 4 files selected and it is going to move it to the File Explorer. So you can choose to transfer it. Okay, so I think I have not shown you the File Explorer, how it works. Okay, so I'm just opening the app here. So here, as it says, so there is a local folder here and there is a secret folder as well. Secret folder, I'm sorry, so local folder, secret, and downloads as well. So secret is used to store your photos, videos, or whatever, and lock it with some kind of a passcode so that others will not be able to view pretty much. But otherwise, so you can use either the local folder or the downloads one. This is pretty much about this, and in the later part of the video I will show you how to transfer the files from this file explorer window to your Windows or Mac PC. Alright, so now back to the files window. So we have opened the file explorer and it is asking whether to download it to the folder secret or downloads. Right now I'm just going to select downloads for this purpose, and then on the top right hand side in this window I'm going to press on import. Alright, so it says that it was saved in this inbox. Now you may have a question, I never selected an inbox folder, how come? So this is actually a default behavior of the file explorer. So whenever you move any file to the downloads folder for the first time, it creates an inbox and puts all the files inside that. Right, so just press on this three horizontal lines on the top left hand side, then go to the downloads folder. There you'll find inbox, and here we can see that we have this 4 mp3 files. These other two files are something else, files that I was using earlier. So stay tuned for the next part of the video. Hello friends, so we are back in this later part of the video. So in the previous video I told you how I was guiding you on how to transfer files from your iPhone to your PC or laptop using the software called as File Explorer. Alright, so let us get into the video straight away. Okay, so now before we go to the laptop section, I'll just show you how to configure the File Explorer app in order to successfully transfer the files. So just open up the File Explorer app. Alright, and so as I said, in the downloads inbox folder we have the 4 mp3 files. So now in order to transfer the files, so we are going to use a hotspot kind of a method between our phone and your laptop or PC or whatever. So but before that, make sure your PC or your Mac or your laptop or whatever computer that is connected to the same network as your phone. This is mandatory. So once that is done, so just go into the three horizontal lines on the top left hand side of the screen, and then select the option HTTP sharing under the share menu. Right, so this opens up. Now what do we have to do is just a single click of a button which says server start. Just turn this on, and now I'm going to switch over to the PC view. Stay tuned. Hello friends, so we are back with the video, and now I'm going to show you on the laptop how to transfer the 4 mp3 files that we have downloaded on our iPhone. Just before that, a couple of things to remember. So your iPhone and your laptop, Mac or Windows desktop, whatever, on both of these things should be connected to the same network. And number two, earlier I said that you can either download it in the for downloads or local folder, but things have turned out that it needs to be more downloaded only to the local folder. So what I have did is that I have moved the 4 mp3 files to the local folder within the file explorer app. And okay, so in the earlier part of the video you would have seen an HTTP IP address and the HTTP file sharing option in the app. So I'm just keying that in the pretty much nothing. So I'm just keying in the IP address that is shown by the File Explorer app. So as you can see, I have moved it to the local directory. That is the reason it shows up here. So now you have two options. You can either download individual files or just press the check mark to the left hand side of the name section, which selects all the files. Just click on download, and it will now ask you whether you want it will by default download it as a zip file. That's not a problem for us. So I am just giving in a file name mp3 files, and then I'm just pressing on download. Now it will throw me up with the dialog box which says if I either want to open it or save it. Just press on save file, and then it asks for a location. I just select the desktop and then press on save. It's just completed. So let me just go to the desktop and see. Alright, so here we have that. Right click and extract the mp3 files to a folder using any of the RAR extracting softwares or your zip extracting softwares. A Windows Explorer, or rather Windows 10 by default, has an option to extract zip files, but I am using 7-zip in this case. I am extracting it to a folder called as mp3 files, and right, so here we have that. Let me just play it and see. Just waiting for the file to load up. Okay, it's working on fine. So that concludes our video, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please do comment below if you have any questions. I'll be most happy to reply to your comments as and when it is possible for me. And please do not forget to subscribe to this video and ring the bell icon to receive any future updates. Thank you for watching the video, and goodbye. And I've also left a link to the Smart Explorer app on the App Store in the description box. Thank you, guys. Goodbye.